You might think your job is safe, but is it? While we're busy scrolling and swiping, AI is slowly taking over the workforce, one task at a time. Welcome to Neural Future. From flipping burgers to analyzing stock markets, artificial intelligence is now doing work that used to take humans years to master. And it's doing it faster, cheaper, and without coffee breaks. In 2024 alone, thousands of companies integrated AI to automate tasks, sometimes entire departments. Retail, meet cashierless stores, transportation, self-driving fleets, customer service, fully AI-driven chatbots. If your job is repetitive, predictable, and rules-based, it's on the list. Even creative jobs aren't immune. AI now writes blogs, designs logos, and edits videos faster than junior staff. But here's the good news. There's still a lane where humans dominate. Soft skills, critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence. These are the tools that AI can't replicate yet. So what do you think? Will your job survive the AI wave? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Neural Future. The AI revolution is happening. Let's ride the wave together. Stay curious, stay alert, and I'll see you in the next episode.